An apology from Calabar High School this evening following a video circulating on social media in which students were heard chanting derogatory slurs during the school's assembly. There's been strong condemnation from school administrators who've described it as distasteful, disturbing and vulgar. A course of action was outlined by way of a news release earlier today.
Not the first time in recent days, Calabar High is being singled out over disciplinary issues. The latest incident involves an auditorium filled with rowdy students. Their chanting not fit for airplay, but in it, homophobic slurs about rival Kingston College. This is the Monday after champs. The students clearly not happy with second place. The video has been circulating on social media with many raising concern that this was happening in the presence of adults. Attempts to get an interview from the school were unsuccessful, but by midday Tuesday, a statement from the Ministry of Education. In it, Minister with Portfolio Responsibility for Education, Carl Samuda, stated that a meeting was held with members of the school board and the senior leadership of the school. It further read that the school's administration issued an apology to the students and staff of Kingston College. A joint devotion will be held at KC, where the apology will be read on Wednesday. In condemning the students' behavior, the minister urged them to demonstrate respect and good sportsmanship, notwithstanding any disappointment. The school subsequently issued its own statement in which the board described as deeply abhorrent the content of the video. According to the board, this is not in keeping with the values, ethos, and principles that the institution has upheld as a church school for over a century. Regarding the presence of teachers at the assembly, the school insists they did not participate in the chairs. The acting principal, the statement also read, took immediate action and stopped the offensive chant once he became aware of the content. Additionally, the school launched an investigation into the incident and the entire school population has been spoken to.
Now, meanwhile, Kingston College has responded to the offensive video being circulated. The school's leadership says the video hurts. They, however, acknowledge the efforts of Calabar to right the matter and said the Red Hills Road-based school has reached out to them. Students of Kingston College are also being urged not to retaliate as the schools and ministry are taking steps to resolve the matter.